For months I've been saying, we're going to get through this pandemic, and we are. The numbers demonstrate that. Hospitalizations, ICU beds, cases, deaths, they're dropping. But you know what? There's this little matter left called reconstruction, and what's that going to look like? Because part of reconstruction will be to hold people accountable. Part of reconstruction will be, how do we build bridges once again and move forward and have conversations? Families have been divided. Communities have been divided. Today, I read an article in the Daily Mail, the largest daily circulation in the United Kingdom. And one of the lead articles was this: both parties are calling for a national inquiry into death certificates. Over the last few days, they've had an explosion of people coming forward, sharing stories about someone at the age of 99 dying with dementia and emphysema, but being labeled a COVID-19 death. Totally out of bounds. I've been talking about this for a year. I told you that the Illinois medical director person or public health person said, well, just because it says COVID-19 as the cause of death on the death certificate doesn't mean they died of COVID-19. I didn't make that up. Deborah Birx, nobody dies with it, they die of it.
There are other countries that if you had a pre-existing condition, and let's say the virus caused you to go to the ICU and then have a heart or kidney problem, some countries are recording that as a heart issue or a kidney issue and not a COVID-19 death. Right now, we're still recording it, and the great thing about having forms that come in and a form that has the ability to mark it as COVID-19 infection, the intent is right now that if someone dies with COVID-19, we are counting that as a COVID-19 death.
We've been talking about this. For months, I've been asking for an audit in Minnesota, and it's not happening. There's got to be some accountability. There's some reconstruction that's going to have to go on. And as we do it, if we can't be honest with ourselves as we decide how do we hold people accountable, then we're not the people we need to be.